Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning our short summary of our chapter Packing. Packing is a story about three friends who are getting ready to go for a journey. As Jerome, Harris and George are ready to set out on a journey, they started packing for it. Being the narrator, Jerome describes how the packing experience went. We can see that Jerome is quite confident with his packing skills as he handles it all alone, while in reality he wishes to simply supervise the packing session while making his friends do the work under him. However, they listen to him and let him handle it all by himself while they sit and relax. This does not impress Jerome. Nonetheless, he gets to it. Finally, after a long packing session, he packs the bag up while his friends watch him quietly do all the work. Soon, Harris tells him about the shoes that he did not pack, and Jerome will have to reopen the bag to make space for them. Thus, after learning about the shoes, Jerome remembers that his toothbrush, which he did not pack. In order to find it, he empties the hole just for one toothbrush. Alas, he finds it inside a boot and packs the bag again. After that, we see that one more query arises for the soap by George. Consequently, this irritates John so much that he does not pay heed to it and packs the bag anyway. However, to his mistake, he has to reopen it again due to his spectacles being locked inside the bag. This packing session finally concludes at 10 o'clock. So, we see that after taking such a long time to pack, Jerome's other two friends pack the hamper themselves to show him how it's actually done. However, they are also similarly gawky and break many things, including a cup into pieces. Further, they squash tomatoes and tread on butter while also smashing the pies. In addition, there is salt flying here and there during the process. Thus, after such much chaos, they try to put things back in order. However, it is not as successful as their pet dog. Montmorency worsen things. He sits on things meant to be packed and climbed into the jam as well as crushes lemons as if they were rats. But finally, the final packing ends at around 12:50 in the night. After a tiring packing session, they decide the time to get up for the next morning, and George dozes off before engaging in this conversation. In the end, Jerome and Harris mark 6:30 as the wake up time and go off to sleep. In this story, we learn that how packing can also be a tedious task if not done correctly, and that life is always better with friends.